Bird of my native isle, beautiful stranger, perched on that karri tree, free from all danger. 'Neath its green branches, waters are flowing, scent-laden breezes softly aflowing. Sing me a native song, song of New Zealand. Sing of our island home, sing of our free land. Songs of the ancient days, the mighty departed, of warriors so brave and maidens true-hearted. Here on this karri tree, by the bright river, carol so sweetly, worthy the giver. Sing on, sweet songster, sing on forever. No harm shall come to thee, never.